Do you love to write? Are you grammar obsessed? Do you love to create art? Is a highly collaborative work setting where you work best? Then you should think about joining Blueprint. If this is something that interests you, you have two different options. Take the intro class, Journalistic Expression, to learn all you need to know about what it takes to be on Blueprint. Or you could be recommended to head straight into advanced journalism. Make sure to check with your English teacher and a counselor for more info.
I love Blueprint because I love to write. I love Blueprint because it gives me a chance to have a voice that's formally heard at my school.
I love Blueprint because I get to share other people's stories.
The Blueprint classroom has a vibe unlike any other. It is truly a family environment. Are you worried about the work? Don't stress. It's fun to be creative and make content for others to enjoy. And there's always someone there to help along the way, including our amazing teacher and advisor, Miss Long. Not sure Blueprint's the right fit for you? Try taking our new TV 1 and 2 classes where you can create short films and different type of videos all semester long.